Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what is arguably the best Girls Adidas Lunch Box available on the market. The Adidas Excel Lunch Bag in the stunning Audi Comp Silver Violet, Light Purple, and Pink Spark colorway. If you're searching for a lunch bag that combines style, functionality, and reliable insulation, this could be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, the Adidas Excel Lunch Bag stands out with its vibrant and playful color scheme, perfect for girls who want their lunch gear to reflect their personality. The material used is 100% polyester, which not only ensures durability but also makes the bag easy to clean. Simply wipe it down with soap and water. This is a practical feature for any lunch bag, especially one that might encounter spills or stains during the day. Measuring 7.5 inches wide, 5 inches deep, and 11.5 inches tall, this lunch bag is compact yet spacious enough to hold a full meal and drinks. Its capacity is approximately 375 cubic inches, giving ample room without being bulky. Inside, it features 3 compartments, allowing you to organize food, snacks, and utensils neatly. Plus, there's an expandable mesh pocket on the bag, ideal for storing extra snacks or small items like napkins or utensils. One of the best features is its temperature control insulation. This means your food and drinks stay cool and fresh throughout the day, thanks to the insulated cooler material lining the bag. Inside, there's also a zippered mesh pocket designed specifically to hold an ice pack, enhancing the cooling effect to keep perishables safe and chilled. For added convenience, the lunch bag includes a clip-lock haul handle, so you can easily attach it to a backpack or carry it on its own. This clip is sturdy and practical, making it a great companion for school or outings where hands-free carrying is a must. Despite its sturdy construction and insulation, the bag remains lightweight at just under half a pound, so it won't weigh down little shoulders. Another thoughtful touch is that the bag is foldable, which means it can be collapsed for easy storage when not in use. The overall design is sleek yet functional. The zippered closure ensures your lunch stays secure, and the soft shell exterior maintains a neat look while being resilient to everyday use. In summary, the Adidas Excel Lunch Bag is a beautifully designed, highly functional lunch cooler that caters perfectly to girls looking for something stylish yet practical. Its temperature control insulation, multiple compartments, and lightweight design make it a top choice for parents and kids alike. If you want a lunch bag that offers quality, convenience, and a fun pop of color, this Adidas lunch bag definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.